Hey friends, so today we're going to work on our abacus, and I know some of us have been doing decimals and stuff and we use rubber bands, but this time I'm going to show you a different strategy to do that. So I think today we'll focus on addition with decimals, and instead of rubber bands we're just going to use our abacus, and we're going to use the middle rod or the middle bar to teach you how to do that, okay? So go get your abacus and come right back, please. Okay, so make sure you have your abacus ready. Go ahead and get your brailler loaded up with paper. Write your name on top. Do a new line, write number 1. And pause the video so that you can have time to do all of that right now, please. Okay, so you should have your name, number 1, and here's the math problem. Okay, so we're going to add 25.13. So braille that, 25.13 plus, and you can pause it so you can finish brailing, 12.71. 12.71. Go ahead and pause it so you can finish that one. Okay, so hopefully now it's brailled, you have your equal sign, and you're ready to set up your abacus. So normally we would have a rubber band ready. We would put it on that right hand side, but today we're not. We're going to learn how to use the middle rod. If you can see if you can zoom in over here. On my rods, so you have your bottom, your earth beads, and then you have your heaven beads, right? And then right in the middle, you have your ones place value. So there's a dot right in the middle. You have your tens place value. There's a dot. And then you have your hundreds. And then you have this little line that's a little longer. So that is going to be your decimal point, okay? So we're going to use this as our decimal point. So if we have, 25.13, what I'm going to do, this is my decimal point, so then I'm going to set 25 point, and I said 13, right? So 1 and then 3. This is what it should look like. This should be 25, and then that line is our point or our decimal, 25.13. And we're going to add 12.71. 12.71. Okay, I'm going to do this one with you. So 12, so there's my decimal, so that means I have to go over here, 12, so I'm going to go 10, 11, 12.71. So I have to add 71, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1. So your answer should be 37 point, because we're using that as our decimal, point 84. So go ahead and braille that. I'm going to get ready with our next math problem. Okay, so you should have number 2 ready to go, and here's the math problem. If you don't, go ahead and hit pause and do that now. So the next math problem is 22.33 plus 15.77 equals, so go ahead and put pause and write that out in your brailler, please. Okay, here we go again. We are not going to use a rubber band. We're going to use our middle bar to represent and to use that for our decimal. So this is where my decimal will be. And what do I need to set? 22.33 point. So that means I go here, here, and then, oh, here it is, 22.33. 33. There. And then I'm going to add 15.77. Try and solve it before you look at how I solve it and see if you can find or get the answer before I can. Go ahead and hit pause. Okay, here it goes. 15.77. So don't forget, this is my point right here. So 15. So I go this way, 15. So 10, 15. So I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 15. And then it was 77.77. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, I don't have any more. It's okay. 60, 70. You go next door. Don't forget to clear that. And we just needed 70, so we're done here. We need 7 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have any more, but that's okay. I can borrow 6, 7. And don't forget to clear. So there you are. So your answer should read 38.10. Your answer should be 38.10. So as you can see, we did not use any rubber bands because we're using our abacus itself, and we're using the middle bar to represent our decimals as well. So I just wanted to share this video because I know we've been using rubber bands and sometimes we don't have rubber bands, and this, it's all in here. We should not be using, or if we don't have them, it's okay. We don't need to use them because this middle bar helps us out big time. So don't forget to use this middle bar, and it has a lot of meaning because it gives us these little dots that do mean things. So make sure you use this, and if you're used to the rubber band, that's okay. You can continue using the rubber band, but if you want to, try it out, why not? Let's do it. Anyway, have fun. We'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.